Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to set up Shopify for mobile. It is quite simple. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Now what you need to do is first of all head over to your online store and make sure you actually preview it. So actually in your themes you can click on customize before you preview it. So to simply set it up for mobile phone, you can choose this option of mobile from the top right, as you can see, and you can see now we have our mobile format, we have our announcement bar on top, we have our title of our store and our header, then we have our featured product. You can customize each and every element and section in here and various other information. So that's how easily you can set it up for mobile phone. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.